Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tech, and recently Acer launched the first Chrome OS tablet, Acer Chromebook Tab 10. If you are not familiar with Chrome OS devices, you are not leaving out much, as the only Chrome OS laptop available in Malaysia is Samsung Chrome OS laptop. It is so long ago until I could not recall what model it is. The Samsung Chrome OS laptop is only available through Yes. Let's get back to our topic here, Acer Chromebook Tab 10. Acer Chromebook Tab 10 will sport a 9.7-inch QXGA LCD display, and it will be powered by the OP1 ARM processor. OP1 ARM processor is owned by Google and manufactured by Rockchip. OP1 processor is built specifically for Chrome OS, and since both OP1 and Chrome OS is by Google, you can expect good performance from Acer Chromebook Tab 10. OP1 is a hexa-core processor with dual-core ARM Cortex-A72 and quad-core ARM Cortex-A53. Acer Chromebook Tab 10 will sport 4GB of RAM with 32GB of eMMC storage. If you feel that the storage is insufficient, you can expand the storage via microSD card. Acer Chromebook Tab 10 will sport a 5MP rear camera and a 2MP front-facing camera. It will sport a USB-C 3.1 port for data transfer and charging. Acer also included a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it will sport a 34Wh battery, and Acer claims that it will provide 9 hours of usage. Acer Chromebook Tab 10 will come with one Wacom EMR stylus for more precise control, note-taking, and so on. Acer Chromebook Tab 10 will have Google Play Store pre-installed. It is too bad that Acer Chromebook Tab 10 will only available for education consumers in North America this month with the price of $329, while other countries like Europe, Africa, Middle East will get it in May with the price of €329. There are no words that Acer Chromebook Tab 10 will be available in Malaysia, since the Chrome OS is not well known in Malaysia. That is all for this short video. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, remember to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Mr. Tech YouTube channel.